therefore make the statement that a certain sound took place at say 5 seconds past the hour I would say that it happened at about 2 or 3 seconds past the hour while the people at the works would say that it took place just at the hour full stop. So that when we say that a certain thing happened at a certain time, we really mean that it happened at that time in relation to our own position at that moment. Full stop. New paragraph. The relation of time to distance and the relation of immediate time to time as a whole are subjects in which people grow more and more interested. Full stop. Two interesting plays have been written round the idea that everything that has happened in the past is still in existence, the point made by the plays being that a person who has a certain special sense highly developed can go back into the past and experience old and past events. Full stop. New paragraph. But interesting as these ideas may be, there is an other and much more usual point of view from which to consider time. Full stop. For all the general purposes of everyday life, we all understand time quite well. Full stop. We know that each day is made up of 24 hours, that there are never 23 hours to the day and never 25. Full stop. We know that the little hands marking the passing of the minutes and hours move on and on at their even rate, and that although they work in our service, they work without any regard to our personal and special interests. Full stop. They will work in more quickly when life is taking us towards some specially pleasing event, and they will not lessen their rate when we are moving towards something less pleasing, full stop, new paragraph. We know that time influences us in the doing of every piece of work, comma, for all work, comma, to have its highest value, comma, has to be done to time, full stop. The chief who calls the members of the board together for a certain time must be ready when the board meets with the facts, comma, figures, comma, or questions which he wishes to put to the members, full stop.